Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to Career Route, a new podcast series. And I'm your host, Bharti. So let's delve into various professions and explore the unique roles and contributions of professionals in different fields. Each episode will provide an in depth look at a specific career, shedding light on what it takes to succeed. Welcome to Career Route, your guide to navigating the exciting yet challenging path after college graduation in India. We understand that as you step out of the hallowed halls of your alma mater, clutching your hard earned degree, you may find yourself standing at a crossroads asking the daunting question, what's next? The transition from student life to professional life can be overwhelming, especially in a vibrant and diverse country like India, where opportunities abound but competition is fierce. That's where we come in. Career Route is your compass in this journey designed to help recent graduates like you to understand and explore the opportunities available in India. Whether you're considering further education through postgraduate programs or eager to dive into the job market, we have got you covered. For those looking to deepen their knowledge or specialize in their field, we will guide you through the maze of postgraduate options. For our first episode, we will start with the fascinating worlds of astrophysics and cosmology. Let's dive in. Astrophysics and cosmology are branches of astronomy that focus on understanding the universe's fundamental aspects while closely related. They have distinct area of focus and methodologies. Let's understand what an astrophysicist is and what they do. As you see on the screen, as you see on the screen, this is Raman Research Center, a very renowned center for space research. Okay, let's get to the point. An astrophysicist is a scientist who studies celestial objects, phenomena, and the universe as a whole. They apply the principles of physics and chemistry to understand the nature, behavior, and evolution of stars, planets, galaxies, black holes, and other cosmic entities. Essentially, they use physics to understand the cosmos. Key aspects of an astrophysicist work include research. They conduct theoretical and observational research to understand cosmic phenomena. They might involve studying the life cycles of stars, the formation of galaxies, or the properties of dark matter and dark energy. Data analysis. Astrophysicists often work with large data sets from telescopes, both ground-based and space-based. They use advanced statistical and computational methods to analyze this data. Theoretical work. Some astrophysicists focus on developing mathematical models to explain observed phenomena or predict new ones. This could involve work in areas like general relativity, quantum mechanics, or fluid dynamics. Observational work, others specialize in making observations. They might design and use telescopes or other instruments to study celestial objects across the electromagnetic spectrum, like radio, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. Specializations, astrophysics has many subfields. Cosmology, study of the origin and evolution of the universe. Stellar astrophysics, study of the physics of stars. Planetary science, study of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. High energy astrophysics, study of energetic phenomena like black holes and supernova. Astrochemistry, there is astrochemistry as well, study of chemical processes in space. There is astrofarming, there is astrobiology. I'll cover all those things in in later episodes. Collaboration in modern astrophysics often involves large international collaborations. For example, projects like the Event Horizon Telescope, which imaged a black hole, or the LIGO gravitational wave detectors involve hundreds of scientists worldwide. Technology development, astrophysicists also contribute to developing new technologies. Advancements in area like adaptive optics, CCD cameras, or data processing algorithms often have applications beyond astronomy. Educational and outreach. Many astrophysicists work in universities teaching courses and mentoring students. They also engage in public outreach, sharing the wonders of the universe with the general public. Famous astrophysicists include Carl Sagan, known for his work on extraterrestrial life and his TV series Cosmos. Stephen Hawking, renowned for his work on black holes and cosmology. Neil deGrasse Tyson, director of the Hayden Planetarium and host of Cosmos, a space-time odyssey. Vera Rubin, her work provided evidence for the existence of dark matter. Jocelyn Bell Burnell, who discovered pulsars as a graduate student. So why we are not finding any Indian names here? Um, we will get into, I'll make another episode on Indian astrophysicist and cosmologist. Education-wise, most astrophysicists have PhD in astrophysics, astronomy, or physics, strong background in mathematics, computer science, and often engineering are also valuable. In summary, an astrophysicist is a scientist who uses the tools of physics to unravel the mysteries of the universe from the smallest particle to the largest structures. Their work not only expands our understanding of the cosmos, but also inspires wonder and often leads to technological advancements that benefit society. Before I dive into defining and exploring the role of cosmologists, I would like you to, I would like you to show and just stop this and come here. I'll show you. This is Raman Research Institute. You can see they're doing astronomy and astrophysics, light and matter physics, soft condensed matter, theoretical physics. So you can visit all these websites and you can find out that what India is up to. Also, I'll share other website. There is a website called Astronomical Society of India. Yeah. Can you see? So here, if you go check out jobs, you will see there in they have given opportunities for integrated MSc PhD program, project associate position, PhD positions, applications, and research assistant for yourself. So you can check this out. They have summer internship as well. Also, I will show you other websites. There is a website called cosmicvarta.in. They have these featured articles what Indian Space Research Organization is into. You can go through all these links and study. And if you go to career help, They're asking you, want to pursue career in astrophysics, PhD in astronomy in India. So they have listed these institutions. So you can check this out. So much is good. And then I would like to show you another link. This is called Science and Engineering Research Group. So here also you can find what they're into, fellowship, research fellowship, etc. I will show you some more. So here you can submit your papers, I think, if you've done them. This is a very interesting website. Check this out. And you can see what research they are into. So this is all Indian websites. You can find what they are doing. Sorry, my net is a bit slow, or the site is slow. I will show a few more websites. So there are a few more websites I want to show. So this is Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics. So you can check out their research, cosmic magnetic fields, cosmology, and large-scale structure. So also, share one more. This is Physics Research Lab. So you can find out what they're into. Okay, now let's get into the role of cosmologist. A cosmologist is a type of astrophysicist or physicist who specializes in the study of cosmology. I think I'll take you. Cosmology is the scientific study of the origin, evolution, structure, and ultimate fate of the universe as a whole. It's one of the most profound and far-reaching subfields of physics and astronomy. Key aspects of a cosmologist's work include origin of the universe. They study Big Bang theory, which posits the universe began from an extremely hot and dense state about 13.8 billion years ago. They investigate the conditions of the early universe, including phenomena like cosmic inflation, cosmic evolution. They track how the universe has changed over time. This includes the formation of the first atoms, stars, and galaxies, and how these structures have evolved. The study of cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, is crucial in understanding early universe conditions. They do large-scale structure. Cosmologists study of how matter is distributed on the larger scales, forming a cosmic web of galaxy clusters, filaments, and voids. They use observation and simulations to understand how gravity shapes the structure. Of course, they also study dark matter and dark energy. A significant part of modern cosmology involves understanding these mysterious components. Dark matter, which doesn't emit light but has gravitational effects, makes up about 27% of the universe. Dark energy, which drives the accelerating expansion of the universe, accounts for about 68%. Theoretical models, cosmologists develop and test mathematical models of the universe. These might be involving concepts like general relativity, quantum mechanics, string theory, or models of the multiverse. They use tools like data, space telescopes like Hubble, Planck, James Webb, ground-based telescopes and arrays, particle detectors looking for dark matter, gravitational wave detectors like LIGO. They also do computational work. Given the scale and complexity of cosmological phenomena, cosmologists often use supercomputers for simulations and data analysis. Skills in coding and numerical methods are also essential. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Cosmology intersects with particle physics and studying the early universe, mathematics and modeling, and even philosophy questions about the nature and space of time. Cosmologists grapple with fundamental questions like, is the universe finite or infinite? What is the nature of dark matter and dark energy? Are there other universes? What is the ultimate fate of the universe? Big freeze, big crunch, big RIP or RIP, I don't know. Notable cosmologists include Georges Lemaitre, Catholic priest, physicist who first proposed the Big Bang Theory, Edwin Hubble, George Gamow, Alan Guth, Lisa Randolph. She works on theoretical models involving extra dimensions of space. And there are famous cosmologists in India as well. I will cover that in some other video. Education for cosmologists typically involves bachelor's in physics, astrophysics, or mathematics, PhD in cosmology, astrophysics, or theoretical physics. Often one or more postdoctoral research positions before a permanent academic or research role. In summary, a cosmologist is a scientist who studies the universe on its grandest scales, from its fairy birth to its possible ultimate fate. Their work not only pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, but also addresses some of the most profound questions humans have ever asked. The field combines rigorous mathematical theory with cutting-edge observational data, making it one of the most exciting and challenging areas of modern science. Well, I want to share something. Okay, so now you have seen these websites. I want to show you something. If you finish, if you go to job and postdoctoral fellowship, okay, you'll find so many fellowships here. Suppose we take this one. You can choose anything. Do you see it here? They give you see once you finish your PhD, you will be eligible for a salary of 1,43,000 to 1,60,000 per month. The monthly salary of entry-level faculty. Okay, so this is a scope. Well, I have come to an end of this podcast. Before leaving, in fact, I'll take a few more minutes of your time. I just want to give a differentiation between astrophysicist and cosmologist. While there is significant overlap between astrophysicists and cosmologists, there are some key differences in their focus and scale of study. Astrophysicists focus on wide range of scales from planets, stars, and galaxies. They might study individual celestial objects like particular star or black hole, stellar populations, or galactic structures. While a cosmologist is primarily concerned with the universe as a whole, they look at the largest scales possible, studying the distribution of matter across billions of light years and overall properties and evolution of the entire cosmos. So you as a student of physics, and if you want to get into space research, you have to find out where your heart lies, right? Key phenomena: astrophysicists study phenomena like stellar evolution, supernova, black holes, planetary formation, galaxy interactions, and more. Their work often involves specific objects or classes of objects. Cosmologists focus on phenomena that affect the entire universe, like the Big Bang, cosmic inflation, the cosmic microwave background, the expansion rate of the universe, and the large scale distribution of galaxies. They're particularly interested in dark matter and dark energy because these components dominate the universe mass energy content. Astrophysicists deal with a range of timescales, from rapid events like gamma ray bursts to the slow evolution of low mass stars over billions of years. Cosmology is primarily concerned with the history and future of the universe as a whole. They study epochs like the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the formation of the first stars about 100 million years later. Theoretical focus: astrophysicists use theories from various branches of physics, including classical mechanics, electromagnetism, nuclear physics, general relativity. Their theoretical work might involve modeling stellar interiors around black holes or galaxy formation. But whereas cosmology heavily focuses on fundamental theories that describe universe like general relativity and quantum field theory. Well, astrophysicists might work in academia, at observatories, in the aerospace industry, or even apply their skills to Earth-based problems like climate modeling. Cosmology more often found in academic or pure research settings, given the theoretical and large-scale nature of their work. So it's important to note that these distinctions can blur. Many scientists work on problems that span both fields. For example, studying galaxy formation involves both cosmological factors like the universe expansion and astrophysical processes like star formation and supernova. Understanding the life cycles of the first stars is crucial for both stellar astrophysics and cosmological model of the early universe. Well, both cosmologists and astrophysicists are ultimately physicists using the laws of nature to understand the universe. The primary difference is that cosmology focuses on the universe as a single evolving entity, while astrophysics study the diverse phenomena and objects within it. Their work is complementary and often overlaps, contributing to our grand understanding of the cosmos. I hope you like this video on astrophysicists and cosmologists. Let me know in the comments below. Did you get any clarity? If you're interested in space research, what to do next, where to go, which sites to visit, did you get any clarity? Please comment below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, follow it. And if you like the video, please share it as well. Thank you so much.